What's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money doing something you probably do every single day, and that's by watching YouTube videos, guys. I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money with YouTube and by simply just watching videos. If you are brand new to my channel, guys, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how you can start an online business, how you can grow a brand with YouTube, TikTok, and much, much more. So if you guys want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. We're coming out with videos every single day. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, other ways to make money besides affiliate marketing, besides starting an online business. Some people may not have a lot of money to get started. So this is a great way to start making money. This is like if you have no money at all, you can start building an income. And then once you start building an income, you can put that money into something else. So that's why I want to show you this method on how you can make money by simply watching videos. All right, let's go and get started, guys. So the first method, or what you need to do, is go to a website called AddMeFast.com, okay? This is the website here, guys, and what you need to do is you just got to go to try for free now, and then you're going to sign up for a website, okay? And then basically it's going to come up with a registration just like this. All you need to register, you need an email, you need to enter a password, re-enter that, and then just click here saying you're not a robot. After that, you're going to get a confirmation email that you need to confirm your email address, and then you have an account, okay? Once you're in your account, it's going to take you to this next page here, which is going to basically, you can start making money watching videos. Now, there's a ton of other ways that you can make money besides just watching videos, okay? So for example, in this website, you can you can like Facebook posts and get paid. You can do Facebook followers and get paid. You can do Instagram followers. You can do TikTok video likes. There's all kinds of ways to make money. Now, the way we're going to be talking about is YouTube views. Okay, this is probably the best way to make money on this website. Now, stick with me because I'm going to show you how you make money. I'm going to show you a better way on how you can make money using this website that pays a lot more than just watching videos. Okay, so we're going to click this YouTube views here, and I'm going to show you how this works, okay? So it says get free points by viewing other YouTube videos. It says view this video for 150 seconds and get 40 points, okay? So it's very simple, guys. Just hit view video. It's going to pop up with a random video. I have no idea what's going to come up here. You can see a random video. Let me turn it down here. I have no idea what this is. I'm going to pull this up. It's a weird video, I guess. But it says here, must play for 150 seconds. So I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to come back and I'll show you that we're going to get paid here in a little bit, okay? I'm going to pause this first. All right, guys, you can see here there's about 4 seconds left. After this, I can go ahead and close out with this video, and I should be able to get paid about 40 points. Okay, ain't that 40 points added to your balance, okay? Perfect. You can see that 40 points was added to my balance, okay? Now, you can keep doing this, guys. You can keep making money with this. About 1,000 points gives you about $20, okay? So I'm going to show you how you can make even more money with this website. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a better way to make even more money with passive income, okay? All right, so we're going to go to a website. We're still going to use this AddMeFast website, but we're using another website to make more money with it. I'm going to show you how, okay? We're going to go to PlayerUp.com, okay? This is the website here. What this website is, it's basically like a marketplace. Like you can trade, like likes, you can trade views, stuff like that. Okay, that's what we're going to be using, and we're going to use AddMeFast to do the work for us. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how we do this. Okay, so we're going to go all the way down, and there's something called All Other Games and Marketplace. Okay, so it's going to pull up with this screen here. Basically, you're going to look for F, okay? So we're going to look for F. We're going to look for something called Facebook, okay? We're going to look for Facebook right there, okay? So you're going to click that, and it's going to come up with this site right here, okay? Now, what this is you can technically go on this, or you can go on this website and post, you can post something like you're selling likes, right? So, for example, right here, okay? Let me see if I can find a good one here. Right here. So, look. Absolutely guaranteed Facebook likes in a few hours, okay? So they're selling likes for $10, okay? Let's look for another one. 100 high quality likes for $10, okay? So basically we can go on this website and add our stuff, and then we're going to go ahead and do that for these people, okay? Now what we do is we're going to go back to AddMeFast, and we're going to have AddMeFast do the actual work while we're getting paid. I'm going to show you how this works, okay? So for example, if we go to add site and page, you can go and post something and people are going to go ahead and do that for you, and you're going to trade points for that, okay? So for example, let's just say we want to do Facebook likes, just hit worldwide, and let's just put Facebook like campaign. Okay. Page URL, it's basically the Facebook page, so whatever that is, just, you know, make sure to post that in there. Los Sofils my page, passive income lifestyles, it doesn't really matter. And then total clicks, let's just say we want to do 200. Okay. And then we'll just leave off daily clicks. And then for CPC, that's how much you want to pay per like. I just usually do the minimum, which is 5 points, okay? Now, we can start making money with this, because if you do the math, watch me pull up my calculator here. Okay, so about 1,000 points is about $20. Okay, so you could pretty much trade your points and get and transfer that into this website here. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense, guys. So 200 clicks times 5, okay, is 1,000 points, which is around $20. Okay, but you're gonna be trading that for this website. Now we go over here, and this is where we actually make the money, right? This is where we post our stuff on this website, and then we can use AddMeFast to fulfill the offer, okay? Now this is a great way to make money, guys. You can make, you know, 20 bucks a day, 50 bucks a day, 100 bucks a day if you're really hustling, okay? Now, this is not what I recommend if you're trying to make a real passive income, okay? What I recommend doing is something called affiliate marketing, and this is what helped me leave my electrical engineering job, and I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job within 9 months of starting my affiliate marketing business, okay? There's a 15-day challenge through Legendary Marketer that they're going to teach you step by step how to start a business from the ground up, guys. Literally day one, we show you the #1 secret on how to build a high-ticket, high-profit business online, okay? Now this challenge, okay, it's a 15-day challenge to get your business off the ground. Now this only costs $7. Now, a lot of people come to me and they say, well, I don't have money to invest. Well, that's why I showed you this method on how you can make, you know, $20 in a day, turn around, take that money and put it into a passive income system. This is an actual business now. You're going to learn how to build a business, and now you can start making passive income, okay? So what I'm teaching you, what I teach on my channel is how you can make money online, but I teach people with affiliate marketing, right? I want to help you create that passive income. That's the most important thing to me, and that's what I want to help you get, right? I can not work for a month or even 2 months, and I'm still getting passive income. And that's what we teach you here at Legendary Marketer, guys. So day one, #1 secret to building a business. Day two, we talk about the core 4 top ticket high business models. And then day 3 is one of my favorite. We actually build a business for you in 30 minutes, okay? So that's what we do, guys, and I've been able to make a ton of commission with this company, but I have a ton of other affiliate offers that I promote, but there's a core training that I need you to go through, and that's the 15-day challenge. So if you want to learn more on how you can make passive income, I'm going to leave a link down below for my #1 recommended program, which is Legendary Marketer. It's going to look something like this, guys, just so you know what the page looks like. It's going to go through. Let me go back, and you can see that you're going to come to this page here. All you gotta do is enter your email, and then it's gonna take you to the page. You pay $7, and you go through the 15-day challenge, okay? You can start this now. Now, this is what I recommend if you really wanna make a passive income, but if you have no money to start, if you wanna trade time for money in the beginning, that's perfectly okay. Go to AddMeFast, make some money, take it to PayPal and put it into a business that can pay you passively. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you. I hope that you're able to make some money with AddMeFast. What I want you to do is turn around and put it into a passive income business that pays you for life. So anyways, guys, I hope this was of value. Comment on the video. Let me know if you have any questions at all. God bless, and we'll talk soon.